Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing everything that I got from Nykaa Pink sale. I know the sale is over, it's not there anymore, but Nykaa decided to ship my orders very late. I wanted to do this while the sale was going on, so you could also buy or try out some new things that were available on sale or very discounted prices. But trust me, if now also you'll go and check out the Nykaa app or Nykaa website, you will definitely find some of the things still on discount prices. Please go and check them out. I've already tried some of this in my reel that I shot with these products that you all are going to see soon. So if you all are not following me on Instagram, please go check out the link in the description box below and follow me there as well. Everything that you all are going to see in the video was on YouTube. Every influencer spoke about these products, and for that reason I just decided to order them when they were on discounted prices to try them out and to test them whether they were just hype products or they really works. So yeah, that is what you all are going to see in today's video. So if this video interests you, please keep on watching. So the first thing that I'm going to be sharing is the skincare one. So in skincare, I got the combo offer from Foxtail, and I was like literally getting Foxtail ads and Foxtail reviews all over the feed. So I just thought when it was on the combo price and the combo thing, I think I should be getting it. So I got these three. So this one is Foxtail refreshing face wash. So previously I was using Dot & Key's watermelon variant for the face wash, and I got this one now. I'll just leave a screenshot here on whatever prices I got these. Okay, I really wanted to try a new moisturizer. So it says Pure Bliss Nourishing Moisturizer, hydrates skin, revives dull skin and everything. Also it has niacinamide plus kokum butter, suitable for all skin types. So this one is the next one from the combo. And then it had also a sunscreen. So for quite a while now I've been using Aqualogica sunscreen and haven't tried the Dot & Key ones. But I decided to go with this one since it had a lot of reviews. Like all of these products had a lot of reviews. I have not opened this one yet, the face wash I have not opened, but I have tried in the reel, as I said, that I've already used these products, and y'all are going to see that in the reel soon. So yeah, both of these things are quite good. My first impression, very light on the skin, and this also doesn't leave white cast, which is a very big thing when you buy a sunscreen, because investing in a good sunscreen and that sunscreen leaves a white cast is kind of a disappointment. So these two products as of now is good, is what I'm gonna say. I just tied my hair up because they were just kind of being irritated. Moving on to the next thing, I got a freebie, a full-size sunscreen on that, and also I got one more freebie from them. It is body care. It's a shower gel. It's quite tiny though. I mean, it's cute. Oh my god, it's too strong for my liking. It says soft, supple, glowing skin, but it's in the variant Aqua Fragrance, so it's kind of fresh only, but it's too strong for my liking. Moving on to the next one, I have this Wishcare Hair Growth Serum Concentrate. Now this product was quite everywhere on the feed, on everywhere people were hyping this one. I don't know if this works, but it says it reduces hair fall, boost hair growth. So I just thought of trying this out since I am now indulging more into hair care, and I've decided to follow a hair care routine. I felt I should be getting this one, and let's see if this is worth the hype or it is just another hyped product in the market. So I'm excited for this one to try out, and I think it will take me a little while to like see and try it myself, whether it reduces hair fall or whether it boosts the hair growth as the serum claims. Next thing that I got from Wishcare is again this lip balm, ceramide lip balm. It's tinted. I've applied that on the lips as well, and It's quite good, nice on the lips, and so this product was quite popular and is quite popular. Whatever recommendations that I've seen, people are literally raving about this one. So this would be also the hype product that I'm going to try. My first impression was quite nice. It's tinted, it leaves a little bit of stain and also hydrates your lips. So quite good as of now. That I got one more freebie from Wishcare, and it is multi-peptide Henty hair fall shampoo. They strengthen roots and quite small. If this works well, I think I would be buying the bigger one. Another hair care product from Wishcare. The next thing was quite on my list actually. It was quite expensive though. It retails for something 950. 30 ml. I was eyeing on this product since a while now, and I felt it was on a pretty good discount. I think I got for it something 550 or something like that. I'll just leave every screenshot here as we speak. But the packaging is quite cute, and it is a daily dewy serum foundation, hyaluronic acid, vitamin C and niacinamide. So I love dewy foundation and dewy sunscreens and everything dewy. I doesn't like matte finish products on my face. So this is how it looks, and I am so happy that I got this one on a sale, that too on a huge sale that too. So this is how it looks. It is what it says, like it is dewy, it is kind of serumy texture, very light on the skin, and also looks so good. So I've applied this and I am loving this one. I think after Maybelline, I would be in my list for the second foundation. One more product I had ordered from Hero Beauty that haven't arrived yet, and it's maybe I'll do a quick review of that on the shorts or on the reel. But as of now, this one from Hero Beauty has literally won. It is my one of the favorite from whatever I've shopped, because it looks so healthy, like on the skin, as you all can see. Next one is from the fragrance category. People love this fragrance, so I just felt like I should be getting this one as well. It is from the Plum Body Loving Smoking Vanilla flavor. It's the shorter version. It also comes with a big bottle, and this is how it looks. Tried it in the reel. It is quite nice. It is quite nice though. The first impression is nice. I also own their body wash, this, and I really love this one. It leaves a very tropical vibe, as the name suggests, Hawaiian Rumba. It's 240 ml, and I love this one. I've been using this for quite a while now, so that is the reason I decided to try their fragrance, as well as people were talking about it, and I just felt even for the sale I got it for a discounted price, smaller version. The next one is from the hair care, and I already own L'Oreal Paris hyaluronic shampoo in this moisture range. It's really nice. I thought to try this moisturized sealing conditioner also, so I haven't tried this yet. Maybe today I'll try it. And for hair care products, you need to like give it a lot of time to really test it, to really see if the results are good or not. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna try this and probably then review it. So with that, we have come to an end to today's video. This was quite a mini Nykaa haul, I would say, but I hope you all enjoyed watching this one. All the products are quite new to me, and I'm gonna try them and then again probably review every bit of it, whether y'all should buy it or not buy it. The final verdict awaits. So yeah, stay tuned for that video. I'll be surely doing it. This is what my skin looks like with the Kiro foundation and with moisturizer from Foxtail and the sunscreen as well. Also the lip balm is quite nice, I would say. It has kept the lips very hydrating throughout the video. So I hope you all enjoyed watching this. Thank you for watching, and thank you for subscribing. Thank you for showing so much love on the videos as well. I'll see you all soon in the next one, very soon. Until then, subscribe if you all haven't already, and I'll see you soon in the next video very soon. Until then, bye.